Let's start revising the B exercise. Page number 47. We are going to revise exercise B. Circle an adjective in each sentence. Circle an adjective in each sentence. Write a similar adjective for each word you have circled. Choose from the box. So the words are astonished, truthful, shiny, 12, attractive, enormous. Okay, I am going to read the first sentence. A huge whale was spotted near the beach today. A huge whale was spotted near the beach today. Here you want to circle the adjective, okay? You want to circle the adjective and you want to write the similar adjective for the word you have circled, okay? So here in the first sentence, huge is the adjective here, okay? Huge is the adjective here. And we are going to write the similar word for this adjective, that is enormous. That is given in your textbook. Enormous. So enormous is the similar adjective for the word which we have circled. Okay. So huge is the adjective and the similar word is enormous. Second one. The deer had a glossy coat. The deer had a glossy coat. So here glossy is the adjective and the similar word is shiny. Okay, shiny. Glossy is the adjective and shiny is the similar word. Third one, Chhattisgarh has beautiful monuments. So here beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective and the similar word is attractive. Okay, similar word is attractive. Fourth one, Anjali was surprised when she heard the news. Anjali was surprised when she heard the news. Surprised is the adjective here and the similar word is astonished. Okay, similar word is astonished. Fifth one, Amar is the most honest person I know. Amar is the most honest person I know. So here honest is the adjective and the similar word is truthful. Sixth one. There are a dozen mangoes in the box. There are a dozen mangoes in the box. A dozen is the adjective here and 12 is the similar word. Okay. A dozen means 12. Okay. So 12 is the similar word here. Then we are going to revise exercise C. Fill in the blanks with adjectives from the box. Then replace the adjectives with some other adjectives and rewrite the sentences. So the words are funny, biggest, delicious, untidy, tricky, loving, hot, fortunate. Here you want to fill the blanks with adjectives. Okay, you want to fill the blanks with adjectives and you want to replace the adjectives with other adjectives and rewrite the sentence. First one, it is too hot to play outside. Hot is the adjective here. Next sentence, when you are going to write the next sentence, you want to replace this word hot. You want to replace this adjective and you want to write the other adjective instead of hot. Below that, you can see a sentence. That is, it is too chilly to play outside. It is too chilly to play outside. Second one. The children are doing a tricky jigsaw puzzle. The children are doing a tricky jigsaw puzzle. So, tricky is the adjective here. While writing the next sentence, you want to use other adjective. The children are doing a simple jigsaw puzzle. The children are doing a simple jigsaw puzzle. Third one. Is the elephant the largest animal on the planet? Is the elephant the largest animal on the planet? Largest is the adjective here. Next sentence. Is the elephant the fattest animal on the planet? Is the elephant the fattest animal on the planet? Okay. Then, fourth one. Mukul told me a funny joke. Mukul told me a funny joke. Next sentence. Mukul told me a hilarious joke. Mukul told me a hilarious joke. So, in first sentence, the adjective is hot. Next, chilly. Next adjective is chilly. Then in second sentence, tricky is the first adjective and second one, symbol. Third one, largest and fattest. Fourth one, funny and hilarious. Okay, now take next page. Page number 48. Page number 48. Fifth sentence. The house was filled with the delicious smell of bread being baked. The house was filled with the delicious smell of bread being baked. So here delicious is the adjective used, and in next sentence the house was filled with the wonderful smell of baking bread. The house was filled with the wonderful smell of baking bread. So here which is the adjective? Wonderful. Okay, wonderful is the adjective used here. Sixth one. These puppies need a loving home. These puppies need a loving home. Loving is the adjective here. Next sentence. These puppies need a kind home. Okay. So here which is the adjective? Kind. Kind home. Seventh one. I am fortunate to have such a loving family. I am fortunate to have such a loving family. Next sentence. I am lucky to have such a loving family. I am lucky to have such a loving family. So here fortunate is the adjective and next sentence lucky is the other adjective. Eighth one. Your room is untidy. That is why you can't find anything. Your room is untidy. That is why you can't find anything. Next sentence. Your room is messy. That's why you can't find anything. So here which are the adjectives? In first sentence untidy is the adjective and in second sentence messy is the adjective used here. Okay, then we will meet in our next video. You want to study these all exercises very well. Thank you.